Hey people, so this is Neeraj, the organizer of the event. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, how did you come up with this event?
So the whole idea was to give a platform for startups, home chefs, and women entrepreneurs, because there are a lot of new people coming in the market, and they are absolutely fantastic in terms of what they cook.
Okay.
So after doing a lot of survey last year on 3rd of April, we did the first edition of the Booklet Flea, and after that we got a huge response of around 4,500 people over the entire day.
Yeah, that's great.
And that's the reason we thought that we need to repeat this again to give a platform again.
Yeah.
In today's market, there's two things which sell. Is the movies for people and the food.
Yes, exactly.
All the restaurant which is there on weekends are absolutely full. Hence, we thought let's do some food event.
Okay.
And what the best word is the bukkad fee.
Bukkad flea,
Where you
yeah.
say मैं bukkad हूँ.
Huh.
I need food and food. I'm the hungry people. That's the reason the word bukkad flea came, and people love it. And you can see the response. People are
Yes.
coming in. That's all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, you're just planning to do food events, or are you planning to do some other events as well?
So We Express Media Group is not an event management company, but an event curating and event planning company,
Okay.
where we are planning to do our own events in different genre. So exhibitions and flea markets is the one which we have already stepped in. It's been 1.5 years that
Okay.
we are going very well in that.
Alright.
My next is trying to target the sports and the music genre again.
Oh,
Again
that's
for
great.
budding entrepreneurs and
Yeah.
music artists, and so that's how we are planning the next event.
Oh, okay.
Again. But food remains the main part. We're doing the first edition of Indian Cultural Food Show.
Oh, okay.
Which will be happening on October 14 and 15 at MMRE ground BKC.
All right. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
great.
where food of different culture like North, East, West, South will be together at the platform.
Oh, okay. And are you planning to come up with events in Pune and Bangalore as well, or is it just going to be Mumbai?
So Mumbai is the base, but Pune is the next destination.
Oh, that's great. And any challenges that you face while coming up with these events? Would you like to share it with us?
The biggest challenge is getting permissions.
Okay.
The officials takes a lot of time, and they check the entire event, how it is, where it is, for what it is, and how it will benefit people. Should we give the permission or no? And after getting all the permission, then we do the setups and all. And in today's time, the fleece market which we do, it's all entry free and without sponsors.
Okay.
So whatever monies which we get from the exhibitors, we try to do the entire event in their money.
All right.
That's again a biggest challenge of marketing the event on a very large scale, because
Yes.
in today's time, marketing and branding cost a bomb.
Yes. So, any interesting facts that you want to share with us about this event?
What kind of facts you want to know?
Like whatever, anything that interests you more. Like,
Um,
what fun do you get out on doing these events?
I like when people, especially I'm very keen on making my exhibitors happy.
Okay.
That
That's-
is the
yeah.
reason, because they are my strength, and with them the visitors come, because it runs parallelly.
Yes.
That's all. So I have 50 new exhibitors, food exhibitors.
Oh, okay.
Here. So that's that.
All
And I have
right.
many. You can see
Yes.
many partners
Yes,
helping
we
me
can
to
see that, yeah.
do the event.
Yeah.
Yes, Limelight is again
Yeah.
video partners.
Yes.
You should subscribe to the channel as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank
Take care. Bye.